Sunday. How y'all doing? Hope good. So today I'll be doing another install video. So if you like those, please do me a favor, subscribe. This is going to be a fun video. I'm going to walk you guys through pretty much how I install this work on myself. Again, please like, subscribe, share this video, and stay tuned, okay? So today's video is from Luvme here. I'll be using Luvme here. They sent me, I think, a 20-inch wig. So here's the wig, and here's other stuff in the bag, but we'll go into that later. So here's the wig. Okay, it's a closure wig. It comes with an elastic band, has combs in it that I'm definitely taking out because I hate combs in my wigs. That's a personal preference. Please, if you like combs in your wigs, that's up to you. So the wig looks pretty full. It doesn't shed much. I mean, that's a hair too, which is, I guess, normal. It doesn't shed much. There's a smell to it, but again, I'm going to bleach the knots. So washing it and deep conditioning the hair will take the smell off like instantly. So that's not really a concern for me. But yeah, so I'm going to kind of show you guys how I bleach the knots. But again, I have a detailed video on how I bleach knots. So if you want to watch that, I'll link it right here. You can definitely go watch the video on how I bleach knots. It's super detailed. And I'm also going to do an e-learning class, a course on it, so you guys can actually purchase it. And again, it'll work you through pretty much everything step by step, so you can learn how to bleach your knots at home. Without further ado, we're gonna go into it. And before we do, I guys liking my bonnet. This is, again, custom. It's Gancy theme bonnets. I'll try to make sure I have some before Black Friday, and I hope this video gets on before Black Friday. But I am definitely going to try to have some before Black Friday. It has a logo in the back and on here. I like this with the band because I don't know if you guys have ever had those elastic bonnets that when you wear them, you feel tight, you feel how tight they are. And then, you know, if you're a bad sleeper at night, they can actually come out. This, they don't come off. They are secure. It is, it's big. If your hairstyle that you have in the bonnet is big, it can definitely work. I just have cornrows underneath right now. That's why mine looks big. But yes, these bonnets are big head, smart head friendly. Y'all, these bonnets are bomb. The quality is 100. So without further ado, let's get straight into this wig, okay? And if you want bonnets, check out our Black Friday sale, okay?
So as you can see, my hair, child, it is nappy. I'm trying to braid it down. So what I'm doing is I am separating it each part. I can't do all my hair at one time. I just cannot. It's too much work. So I washed it. That's why it looks shrinked. So all I'm doing is I'll separate the braid I want to do, and I'll put some leave-in conditioner. I will detangle it, and then I'll use a straightening brush to straighten out the hair. I mean, this brush is connected to current, so like there's the heat that's straightening my hair. And I was impressed because my hair has grown, y'all. My hair has grown. It's been 1.5 years, and I must say, yep, my hair, oh my gosh, I can't imagine how long my hair is gonna be 3-5 years from today. But yeah, I love it, and I'm just gonna braid it down. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's a lot, trust me. Then I went into styling this wig. So for the most part, all I did was blow dry. I always got my wigs air dry, but I had to blow dry this because I needed to get this done as soon as possible. So I blow dried. I won a side part, so I created my part, fixed up the hairline, and now I'm pretty much just straightening the hair. So this is kind of what I do. If you want a detailed video on how I style wigs, either you're gonna wait for my classes to come out or just send me a note, and if you guys really want me to show you guys how I straighten my wigs, I will. But again, this is pretty much what I do, and I am loving it. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, put some makeup underneath, makeup that matches my skin tone, and that's pretty much it. So just keep watching.
So pretty much everything is done. I just like to push my hair back a little. So what I did is cut the lace, put some foundation on it, and it is giving what I want it to give. I'm just going in to reduce my part a little bit, because my part looks a little lighter than I want it to look, and I should be done. Again, like I said, I'm not putting on a wig cap with this wig, but it's still going to look like scalp. Don't get me wrong, I like wig caps, but when I just don't want a tight wig, I like to wear wig caps underneath, so I'm just going to put my wig on. I just have my hair braided down flat. Here's the wig. Just going to use the elastic band it came with and put the wig on my hand. And I'll just adjust the wig in place. And this is pretty much how it's looking. Again, I did the side part because that's what I was feeling today. And the part can definitely be changed. It's a closure, but it doesn't mean I can't do multiple parts. I can still do a part on this side, I can do a part in the middle, I can do a part on this side. And overall, I'm loving the hair. Like, it's giving silk, bone straight. So yeah, I like it. And I hope you guys like it. Here's the length of the wig. It's not super long, but that's the length. And I am feeling this wig. As you can see, completely glueless. I like to wear my wigs completely glueless, especially closure wigs. You don't have to glue them. I don't like baby hairs either, so this is what we're serving today. So if you liked the video, please go ahead, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know down in the comment section what kind of videos you guys would like to see. And without further ado, thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day or evening, wherever you are. Thank you.